Hello, it's Susan, and welcome to today's lesson about utilizing the Team Drive. So if you're unfamiliar with the Team Drive, you'll learn a little bit about how it works, what it does, what it doesn't do, and then how we're going to use it for the e-learning day that's coming up soon. So the first thing I want you to do, I have just a plain Google window open, so I'm just going to start basically from the beginning. So remember, you have your multicolored apps over here, and then you have your waffle over here. You can get to the drive through here. So we're going to go into Google Drive. So open Google Drive, and you can see you have your drive. You probably use this all the time, but underneath it, there's something that's appeared in the last year, and that's called Team Drive. So click on that. And you can see that I have several team drives created. If you are wanting to create a team drive for your department or for maybe members of your grade level, you can click here on New, and then you title it, and then you create it. I have created one for Martinsville High School, so let's go ahead and click on that. You can see that I have 5 members, and those 5 members are the administrators at this point. You will be getting an email that you will have access to this team drive as well. So I'm going to click on that and open that up. And this is where you can add members if you're putting together yours. And you can see that we have the 5 members here. So I'm going to manage those members so you can see what kind of access that they have. So they have full member access, which is what you're going to be getting. And you can see what full member access means. It means you can manage the members of this team drive. So you want to be careful that you don't delete anyone by mistake. And you can upload, edit, and delete all files. So again, be very careful when you're working with this because you don't want to edit or accidentally delete someone's file that they have added to the team drive. In the team drive, there are different departmental folders, and then within those departmental folders, I have added a folder for each person. So you will be taking your HyperDoc lesson plan and dragging that or uploading that into the team drive. Typically, dragging is pretty easy to do, but you also can just dump it in there by uploading whatever's going to work better for you. So what's the difference between a team drive and a regular Google Drive? So a team drive was created so that members of the team can share documents, files easily back and forth with each other, and it can be from any device, anywhere. And Team Drive is helpful if you have members of the department that you're all in this team drive together, and say one member leaves your department. That person's contributions to the team drive will not leave with that person. So that folder, everything that they have contributed will still remain in the team drive because it is the team drive is the owner of those documents now. So you have access to move those in and out, which you have to be careful. But one of the things that you need to be aware of is that when you move them out, you will probably have to make a copy for yourself. So keep that in mind because what is in the team drive is basically owned by the team drive. So if you're thinking, so the type of access you have, it's basically equivalent to the edit in Google Drive. So when you have edit rights, typically you just make a copy when you're wanting your own copy, and then you can put your own copy in Google Drive. So once you have created your HyperDoc lesson plan, drag it or drop it into the team drive and into your proper folder. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Have a great day.